Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have a quick tutorial using the new Violet Voss Care Bears eyeshadow palette. So I'm just not going to waste your time. It's a 12 pan palette, and let's jump right into the tutorial. I'm starting with all my makeup on. I've already primed my eyelids. And so I'm starting with this shade using a medium flat panel brush. This is the shade Best Friend Bear. And this is this gorgeous, deep, rose-toned glitter shade. And I'm applying it, as you can see, very liberally all over my all over my lid, all the way to just up under my brow bone. And I was really surprised by the pigmentation of this. I thought it was going to go on very sheer. This is my first time actually creating a look using this palette. I'd only swatched them a little bit with my fingers, and this pigmentation is insane. It is almost opaque for a glitter shade like this, or a shimmer shade like this. So applying it all very liberally from the bottom of my lid almost all the way up to the top. I leave a little space between my brow and my brow bone, as you can see. So applying that very liberally. So now I'm taking a medium fluff brush, and I'm taking the shade Share Bear and tapping that off. Quite a bit of fallout with this palette, but that's to be expected with a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So most likely you actually want to do your makeup last, but I wanted to be able to show you this tutorial quickly, so I didn't want to make you sit through the whole makeup routine and drawing on eyebrows and all that. But anyways, Share Bear, I'm taking that, as you can see, with a medium fluff brush, and I'm just applying it in my crease, but I'm staying on the outer edge. So I'm applying it to the crease, and I'm only going to the middle of my eye. So middle of my crease and back out to the outer corner, and applying that very liberally, as you can see. And don't worry, we will blend this all out towards the end. But right now I'm just focusing on placing color, building up color. And guys, it's a beautiful shade. Somebody requested a purple eyeshadow look, so I was like, here we go, let's do this. So every once in a while you'll see me grab a beauty blender just to correct the edges of my makeup. But yeah, blend, 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 add color. That's the shade Share Bear. So now I'm taking a small fluff brush, or a small crease brush, I should say. Taking a small crease brush, and this is the shade Surprise Bear. And this I'm just sticking right on my outer corner in the crease. Just staying right on that outer corner, just deepening the color, deepening the dimension, depth, deepening the crease. And there I am using my beauty blender just to keep that line sharp and to just reapply my makeup that gets moved while I'm applying this. And yeah, quite a bit of fallout. A bunch of it falls on my nose. That's okay, I'll wipe it off with a makeup eraser. But yeah, just deepening the shade. And these all blend really well together. I was surprised how well they blend together. It's like once you blend them, it's hard to tell where one begins, the other ends, which is the point of blending. But I love how I was just able to really deepen the drama. Once again, I'm correcting the line. Keep a nice clean line on the outer edge of my eye there. Keep my eyes looking lifted, not droopy. And then I'm taking a makeup eraser and just wiping some of the fallout off of my nose. All right, so now we're going in with another shade. I end up using 5 shades total on this eye look. So now I'm taking a medium flat panel brush, and this is the shade Funshine Bear. And I'm applying that very liberally on my brow bone. So I'm filling in that area where I didn't apply any eyeshadow and just blending it into the rest of the eyeshadow. And this is a really pretty gold shimmer shade. Really just, this is a fun palette. I thought it made more sense. I mean, it's a bold palette, so create a bold look. You know, this is obviously not a neutral palette. But this is actually my favorite part of the eye look. Is I love this shade Funshine Bear, how just mixing in the gold with the pink with the purple, it's just, I mean, it screams Care Bears, right? If Care Bears wore makeup, I think this is the eyeshadow shade. The eyeshadow palette that they would have created. So I love that Violet Voss came out with this cute little rainbow palette. And just putting some Care Bears on it, giving the shades Care Bear names, just adds to the fun and the nostalgia. So if you love to play with color, I actually recommend this palette. I think it's really fun. I'm having a blast creating this. So there we are. So we got Funshine Bear on the upper brow line. So now I'm taking a pencil brush, a small pencil brush, and I'm taking the shade True Heart Bear. And this is a, yeah, it's kind of a white, I guess not quite a frost, not quite a shimmer. It has a little bit of actually pink iridescence to it. So at first glance, it looks like it's a white shade, but then once you apply it, you see it actually has pink iridescence. And this just looks beautiful in the inner corners of the eye. So as you can see, I'm applying it really liberally on the inner corners of my eyes. So on the upper and lower halves of my inner corners, and you can just really see the pink iridescence coming out. Really adds a nice touch. So now I'm just taking a medium shader brush and just a clean shader brush, and I'm just blending the eyeshadow. Not adding more eyeshadow, I just want to blend out some of those hard edges, blend the colors in together a little more so it's not as separated. Keep going in with my beauty blender to touch up my makeup that's getting disturbed while I'm applying the eyeshadow. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0. I'm adding that to my waterline just to define my eyes a little more so they don't get lost in all of the color. And then I'm taking the Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. This is my holy grail liquid eyeliner. Absolutely love this. I use it all the time. It goes on black. It stays black. It is waterproof. So if you're sweaty, if it's a humid day, if a few tears escape your eyes, it's always a staple in my makeup collection. And I love creating winged liner with it. And I'm actually creating a very small wing by my standards. I usually always wear very thick winged liner. I will never get tired of winged eyeliner. It's always been my thing. But for this look, I restrained myself and I create a very thin winged lined look. And I went ahead and applied some lashes. And of course we're going to apply mascara to the top lashes. I'm reapplying the Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil in 0 to my waterline since I was experiencing a little bit of sensitivity. Got a little teary, so I had to reapply that. Then I'm taking a waterproof mascara. This is Maybelline Lash Discovery. This is another staple in my makeup, and that's it. And this is the look. I will place everything that I used on my face in the description bar down below. But yeah, it's a fun palette. I hope you like the look. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below for me. I love it when you guys interact with me. Like the video if you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.